Hello YouTube, Crafting33 here. Just came to say about my YouTube. I've been doing loads of videos lately, and I'm mostly doing them every day. Sometimes me and my friend Darksiders are really busy, so we can't particularly make videos at the moment. I just made one, and my friend made one yesterday. I'll post that YouTube video what I made in the description box. Then yeah, I hope this is really good heads up. So I'm gonna go YouTube, Crafting33 here, and peace.